In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to conditionally format text cell color in Tableau. This technique can be incredibly useful for making your data visualizations both more engaging and easier to interpret at a glance. So, let's dive into it and get started with the process. First things first, you need to launch your Tableau app. Once it's up and running, go ahead and navigate to the specific worksheet where you want to apply conditional formatting. This is the canvas on which we will be doing our work today. Now, let's start building our visualization. Begin by dragging a dimension such as order date to the column shelf. This step sets the foundation for your data visualization by establishing the primary category or timeline you wish to analyze. After that, move on to dragging another dimension, for instance, product category, into the row shelf. This action will allow you to lay out the data in a grid, with each category occupying a separate row. Next, we'll want to visualize some key metrics. Drag a measure such as sales into the marks field and set it to label. This will help you to clearly see the sales figures as they relate to both the date and product category dimensions you've just set up. To begin with the conditional formatting aspect, we'll need to create a calculated field. Head over to the Analysis menu and select Create Calculated Field. When the dialog box opens, it's a good idea to give your calculated field a meaningful name like KPI to clearly identify its purpose. The next step involves crafting your conditional logic. Type in the query or formula that suits your analysis needs and then click OK. This calculated field will serve as the basis for your conditional formatting. Once that's prepared, drag the calculated field into the marks field again, but this time, set it to color. This will enable Tableau to dynamically color the text cells based on the criteria you've just defined. Adding further depth to your visualization, you can now drag another measure, such as quantity, into the marks field and set it to size. This allows you to incorporate another layer of data representation within your visualization. To enhance the visual presentation of the data, change the automatic chart type to bar. This step ensures each element is easily comparable and gives a cleaner look to your Tableau worksheet. Then find the quantity drop-down, navigate to measures, and choose minimum. This choice instructs Tableau to focus its visualization efforts on the smallest values in your data set for this particular metric. Finally, feel free to adjust the size of the elements as needed. Sometimes a bit of tweaking is necessary to make sure everything fits perfectly and looks harmonious. And there you have it, a fully conditionally formatted text cell color setup in Tableau that highlights key data insights clearly and effectively. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.